In the age of digitalization, software product adoption has received a massive peak in the past few years. With easy access to digital products, many internet users ask for more specific software solutions to ease their work. To fulfill their demands, many software startups have come up with unique software solutions. Among them, many have succeeded and some failed. Today, we're going to speak all about the secret to successful software product development for startups especially. So before we move ahead with the best practice to develop a startup software product, let's first know the reasons for startups failures. So the very first is lack of out of the box ideas. So launching a product based startup is a big step, and using not so well researched software product development ideas is the first drawback. It may lead your product based startup to failure. As per one study, 91% of startups fail due to the lack of innovation. Using random ideas and copying other successful startup product ideas also fall under the category of lack of out of the box software development ideas. The very good solution about this is like excessive market research, know the sustainability of software development, gather resources to make your software innovative. The second big reason is software is not so well optimized. All users want cutting edge performance and rich features from your software. Poor performance of the software might frustrate users and make them move to competitors' product. Hence, this leads to less business revenue and maybe to failure in the worst case scenario. The third point is funding problem. So every product based startup needs better funding to run its commercial and marketing campaigns. Not having enough funds means compromising some features to implement, optimizing the solution for better user experiences, chances and methods to spread your product's awareness and quick revenue generation. The fourth point is product market fit. So major product based startups fail due to the lack of market research. They don't know the market right, less market opportunity, not having the right data to target the audience, product not creating the value for the audience. The best solution for this is deliver your product with full confidence and create a trustable relationship with your consumers and know your market. The fifth point is lack of customers centricity. So startups usually have too much to focus on their plateau, including tons of client and investor meetings, talent hiring, gathering resources, product enhancements and maintenance, marketing and sales, etc. So they sometimes lose focus on their target audience and do all the things very vaguely. So losing customer centricity often leads startups to end their corporate journey. Now the question comes how to develop a successful software solution for a startup. The very first point is research, conceptualization and strategizing. So what you need to do is conduct extensive market research and trend analysis. We do understand that you have countless software product development ideas to launch and your product based startup. And those software ideas might seem unique to you and solve concerning problems. But in reality, there are many similar startups dominating the market. Hence, this market research will help you to identify the right software development idea, create better market opportunities, target the right audience, and strategize the whole product development and post-deployment plan. Also, you need to do define unique selling propositions as well as list out development risks as well. The second is scoping and software development idea validation. This stage will help you scope the development in terms of narrowing down the concept for the target audience and validate it in terms of mind map to figure out the use cases and effectiveness of the idea. So in this, testing the idea is very important. It goes like checking whether the idea is solving the target audience and the industry concerning problems. You must ensure that your solution answers your users' all queries the way you have comprehended. So yes, another point is scoping the concept. For that, you'll have to do intensive market and competitors analysis to scope your product. This technical guide will include purpose, gain and pain ratio, innovative features and functionalities to implement, create value propositions, software product development lifecycle with a summary of procedures, considerations and specifications to implement. So yes, a very technical guide prepared by the business analysis team and followed by all the software development team members like managers, developers, operations and QAs and so on. The third point is IT consultation. So now you have your whole software development concept clear. So if we speak about the IT consultations, so IT consultation will help you in many ways like choosing the right technology stack, budget finalizing, best fit developing model, IT engagement model, and so on. The fourth point is concept design and development. You are now all set to go with bringing your concept to life. First, aligning the best and most creative UI UX designers to create a concept design and prototype samples of your software. They will start with sketching and illustrating the feature and functionality requirements. And like experienced UI UX designers follow the best practice to create many samples of software UI UX designs. Through this, you will get options to choose and test the best software UI UX design that is easy to navigate and works the best for your target audience. The fifth point is pilot and beta test your software product. Now you have something like concerning bug lists from the beta users. So it's time to perform QA testing for your product under the certain conditions and resolve massive software bugs and exceptions. So your initial software build would be known as an alpha build, which further be circulated for the alpha and pilot testing to the limited users. So for developers, alpha testing includes white box and black box testing, known as user acceptance testing. So this alpha testing will confront developers to point where their software is lagging and hence its quality and schedule it for the beta release. The sixth point is software product launch. Finally, your startup product is ready to rock the global market, but the question is, where will you host it? For any startup, it is important to plan your software deployment wisely. Of course, you have built your software applications to be compatible and responsive to all kind of devices. So in this age of cloud computing, you want to provide your users with a real-time user experience. So you should host your mission critical app in secure public cloud platform. The seventh point is post-launch strategy, that is marketing plus profit ratio. So launching cutting edge, bug free and crash free software in the market might be challenging task for startup developers, but an experienced army of developers at Mind Inventory knows how to put MVPs into the market and bring out impressive results. Here, software marketing strategy is very important. Use your previously done market study documents to know your market paradigm and create effective copies to impress your target audience. Some effective ways to market your startup software build is like content strategy, ad campaign, social media marketing, press releases, video marketing, email marketing, and so on. The eighth point is marketing analytics and feedback. So your product based startups work doesn't end with launching your software product. You also have to keep thinking about the making improvements and further growth. Offer your users rewarding propositions to motivate them to give their valuable feedback. The feedback will help you improve your software experience and grow your business. After all, satisfying customers' ever-evolving demands ensures your startups has a bright future. Last but not the least, frequent maintenance and scaling up. So it's like the final and continuous stage of your product-based startup, which ensures scaling up of your business. Get all the feedback, digital marketing analytics, and user behavioral results to improve your software product. So yes, at last I would say that of course you'll need the guidance of IT experts working in this industry for over 10 years to plan your software product development very effectively. So, and that's why we at Mind Inventory exist with our client-centric principles. So without any further ado, visit www.mindinventory.com right now to get the expert advice and to get the experts help. So yes, that's it for today. We will see you in the next episode. Till then, keep on chilling.